Okay, we're talking about neutral spine drills now. So the major importance for this drill to be able to do what we're going to teach you is for back injuries. So most of the back injuries that are happening, especially in gyms, the non-traumatic stuff where people, and it could be even office workers, whatever it is, it's posture related. What we're going to teach you is how to manage your low back posture, what position to put it in, and we're going to increase the stress over time so that you can actually reposition your lower back under stress. And that's, a lot of people will learn how to do pelvic tilts and all of that stuff, and it's all great. But if you don't learn how to do it under increasing stress, then you'll never be able to do it when you really need to do it. So starting here, just to make sure you can isolate just the lowest part of your back, you're going to sit in a chair, and from here, all you're going to do is arch the lowest part of your back, so roll your pelvis forward without rolling your shoulders back, and then you're going to round it, round your lower back, and ideally here, there's no movement at all. So again, arch your back, and then round your back. Good. For a lot of you, what's going to happen is the first thing is you arch your back, go ahead and arch your back, and your chest comes up because your whole spine wants to arch at the same time. We're trying to teach you how to isolate just the lowest part of your back, so there should be no movement here. The other thing that happens is when you go to round your back, go ahead and round it, the whole back rounds, chest caves in, head drops, that sort of stuff. Okay, so you really want to sit up straight. First of all, don't expect a ton of movement to happen in your lower back. You're trying to isolate a small section of a chain of events, which is your spine. So there's only a little bit of movement there. So you're going to arch, go ahead, arch your back, and then round your back. How far should you arch it? You arch it until you feel a little bit of compression. And then for rounding, you really want to round it as far as you can, at least initially, as far as you can without influencing the rest of your spine. You just go back and forth. This is a neurological learning exercise. You really just want to practice till you get really good at it. So there's no real sets and reps. Just do it every day, everywhere you can until you get really good at it, and then you'll go to phase 2.